Hi, I am Said Akhtar, a front-end developer and a modern stack learner, focused on building modern and web application and AI-powered experiences. The portfolio is designed not just as a website, but as an interactive developer experience with the modern UI design, animation, AI integrations, and responsive development practices. So you can see the hero section, a beautiful button, and download resume button, and three social links. Recruiter mode. One of the key feature of the portfolio is recruiter mode. It gives recruiters and visitors a quick summary of my profile, technical skills, project highlights, achievements, and current learning focus in a clean developer focus layout. So you can see AI assistant chatbot. I also integrated AI powered assistant directly into the portfolio using Grok API and large language models. Visitor can ask questions about my projects, technologies, architecture, decisions, and development processes through the AI chatbot. About section. In the About section, I shared my journey from learning basic HTML and CSS to building full stack modern application and AI powered system. The goal was to showcase both technical growth and long term development visions. Skill and technologies. The skill section visualize my proficiency across front-end, back-end, database, APIs, and developer tools. Tech Radar. I also created a Tech Radar section that visually organizes technologies into core skills, currently learning, and technologies I am actively exploring. This gives a clearer overview of both my current expertise and future learning directions. Featured project. The portfolio currently showcases multiple production-ready and AI-powered projects with live demos, GitHub repositories, architecture design, and detailed case studies. Featured projects include an economic stress prediction model, an AI robotic learning platform, and AI resume analyzer, and an interactive Roger Penrose biography website. This is the preview, case study, architecture, and this is a AI project explorer. The AI project explorer transforms normal project browsing into an interactive AI experience instead of static projects cart. So you can see. In architecture and case studies, each project also includes architecture visualization, detailed case study explaining the problem, development approach, technical stack, system flow, implementations, challenges, and final outcomes. So you can see that. Learning timeline. The portfolio also includes a learning timeline section that showcases my growth from basic front end and front-end development to back-end engineering, AI integration, and full-stack application development over the years. It visually represents the progression of my technical journey and continuous learning mindset. GitHub activity. I also integrated live GitHub activity into the portfolio to dynamically showcase repositories, contribution history, and open source consistency. Contact section. The portfolio ends with a fully responsive contact section for collaboration, freelance opportunities, internships, and networking. This project was built using React, Tailwind CSS, Farmer Motion, AI integration, REST APIs, modern front-end engineering practices. Thank you for the watching.